Background noise trims out a little bit. Alright, what you're about to hear was recorded from the banks of the Nooksack River in eastern Whatcom County, east of Bellingham, Washington State, USA. You be the judge.
It's weird though how it's only one. Usually when one goes, the fucking bunch go. It's
Pardon
the
the
same
language.
fucking one every time. That's interesting. Usually the pack go crazy, and they don't travel alone. So for only one to be doing it, oh boy.
We had something like that happen earlier on that in the field when we were here last time.
Right, yeah.
Or one of the times.
Just
There we go. That's closer.
What?
That's closer.
That is closer. It's only fucking one. Oh yeah, it's coming.
Yeah. It's probably running.
I just find it really weird because usually, like, being out living in Everson, one does it and a bunch just go crazy. It's never just one. That's what's got me a little, like, interested because it's only one.
Travis is gonna make a call here. Whatever it is, it's just fire popping. Okay, looks like it's stopped for now. We're just gonna get traffic noises now.
Alright, like I said, that was recorded on the banks of the Nooksack River. Water levels down far enough to actually get out into the brush there, and that was recorded from there. So, coyotes, Sasquatch, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and hope you enjoyed the listen.